Hi all, in the previous video we saw the transaction entry of purchase in GSTR-2 of Saral Pro. Now let us see how you can import the GSTR-2 details of different sections like B2B, reverse charge, import of goods, etc. from an Excel file or any other format. Go to GSTR-2 and click on the import screen. Select financial year and month respectively. Here we will be seeing different kinds of imports. They are Saral Excel, Department, Tally Excel, Busy Excel, JSON-2A and JSON-2B. First is the import of Saral Excel, GST or accounts of billing template. Click on template to download the Saral Pro template. In the downloaded template, enter GSTIN, name of the taxable person, period, invoice details, IGST, CGST, SGST and other details manually in an MS Excel sheet or copy the details from any other sources. Once the details are entered, save it in any location of your computer. Now click on import and enable sections to be imported as per your requirement. Click on the download icon to browse the saved file on your computer. Also click upload to upload the selected file. After uploading the file, wait for some time to import the files. The data will be imported and the summary of the import will be displayed. If any data is not imported, then the error report for the same will be displayed. Next is to import from department V1.1 tool or Tally Prime Excel sheet. You can import the data from the department given GST tool through this option. If the data is available in this tool, then you can directly import the same to Saral Pro. Also, via the same option, you can import the data which is exported to an Excel sheet from Tally Prime software. Tally Excel or Busy Excel. If you have data in Excel sheet that is exported from Tally or Busy software, then such Excel can be imported directly over here. These two are third-party tools. Just click on import button and enable the sections as per your requirement. Upload the files and then import. JSON-2A and JSON-2B. JSON files that are downloaded from the department portal, which are made available on request, can be downloaded and imported directly through this option. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.